detached unit na complete turnover na at 8,800 lang ang down payment? I'm Vern, your property specialist from Hoki.
Tara, pasukin natin ang actual turnover unit ng single attached model here at Estonia Calamba by Next Asia. Pagpasok, unang makita ang living area. Perfect lagyan ng sofa, TV setup, or cozy family area. Next, dito naman ang toilet and bath, located sa ground floor, very convenient lalo na sa mga bisita. Moving forward, makita rin natin ang service area which can be used for laundry, storage, or other household needs. Sa side naman ng unit, makikita ang parking space, sakto sa families na may sasakyan or planning to have one in the future. Now, akyat naman tayo sa second floor to check the bedroom areas. Here is the first bedroom, ideal as the main sleeping area of the family. Next is the second bedroom, which can be used as a children's room, guest room, or study room. And here is the third bedroom, giving the family more space and flexibility depending on their needs. Now, baba ulit tayo to take one more look at the overall layout of the ground floor. Overall, this single attached unit is a practical and comfortable home option for families looking to start their journey here in Calamba, Laguna.
Kaya ano pa hinihintay nyo? Message me today to schedule your pre-site viewing dahil ang pangarap mong bahay nandito na. Ikaw na lang, kuya.